Hey everybody, I'm Shark Scrapper. Welcome to the channel. It's a beautiful morning and we're on a mission to get stuff out of the trash and into a resale, reuse, or recycle stream. So come on, let's dive in and see what we can find today.
Alright, let's see. What do we got going here? The body is metal. Got some stuff in it. Nothing too interesting. Let's figure this one out. I don't think I've ever done the workbench dance before. Now, I think I just...
How heavy is it? You need help?
Oh, I think I'll be all right.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I've been in this predicament before where I wanted something really bad and I couldn't lift it. Are you sure?
We'll find out in just a minute. I always hate asking for help because I don't want anybody to get hurt doing something silly, you know? But I think it should tip up without any trouble at all.
Oh, as long as it don't slip. This for you.
Wonderful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, you got it. You did real good. I was really struggling that day, and I wanted that piece so bad, and I was trying to fit it in a Mercedes, and
Oh my, yeah.
it didn't work out too good. I had to come back. But I ended up getting it, and then I ended up taking.
So that was a very nice lady who offered to help me, but because I did not ask her for permission to use her image in the video, I decided it best that I block it out. So sorry about that, folks.
Well now, isn't that interesting? Somebody cut up their stainless steel stove in order to put it out with the trash. That's just amazing. Well, we're going to put this in here since it's stainless. And it's all cut up nice and neat. I think we can just... Because I've got that nice heavy canvas seat cover, I think I can just do that. So we have this interesting situation where I have put let's see if you'll go over here. That bench, that workbench takes up the whole back there where I used to be able to put long stuff in the side. So I don't know how this is going to play out. We'll see. I might be able to still stack some things there. So we'll get some ballast lights, yeah. Ballast light fixtures, not the actual lights. Oh, well, we're going to try to get ballast light fixtures. They're kind of heavily buried. Yeah. Then they do not say electric or electrical, so I wish it didn't have all that mung on there. I can sell that as a ballast. So that'll go back to the shark cage, get demungified. And we got cars parked all over the place and lawnmowers running. What in the world are you? Oh, there's a little heat exchanger. And what are you? You're a sealed unit. I'm amazed. That's kind of a weird, just sort of weird to find a sealed unit. And a heat exchanger. Somebody was trying to fix their So I think somebody was trying to fix their refrigerator. But we have a heat exchange coil here. And this is a sealed unit. Now you might have oil in you, so I'm going to put you there. I will remember to remove you. You're not going to go anywhere. Not worried about that, and I won't forget to pull you. You're not going to end up in the shred. I promise you. If you have oil in, if you're the old one and you still have oil in you, I don't want to risk that it's going to leak oil in the back seat. Cord footage. We love cord footage. Messy cord footage. Here, let's see, what do we get going here? Alright. There we go. Alright, so we've got one brass, a bunch of plastic, a little bit of wire, and a busy street. And I think we're going to be able to stand that up, assuming I can get it in without any trouble. Alright, that's it for valves. A little more water heater dance here. Come on, baby. still water in there. That's why that was heavier than it needed it to be. Needed it to be. All right. Okay, so I put you on the side, get you up against there like that. And I got to get up against that sago in order to tie that one. How's that for annoying? Ugh. And you're going to come back to this. Put an extra loop on that one for keeping it tight. You might be aluminum. You are aluminum, so you can go in there. Man, I don't think you're going anywhere. The water weight is going to keep the center of gravity down there, so as long as I don't go racing around any corners, we should be just fine. Oh my gracious. You're definitely heavy. Nope. So the issue is, now then. Good to see they got the big green machine working again, because this pile is really backing up.
Well, how about if we play the "What Didn't You See Me Load" game? It's pretty obvious, but we haven't played a game for a while. So what did you not see me load that we're going to unload here in the shred pile? You know, speaking of shred pile, we had a pretty good day. 520 pounds at 9 cents a pound. So that gave us $46.80, and that's just for the shred. On the non-shred side, we had some pretty good stuff. That sealed unit that was in the box, the heat exchanger radiator from the that somebody was repairing something like a refrigerator, or tried to anyway. We had the stainless steel sink that was cut up, and we had some court food. All in all, it was a great day. I hope you all enjoyed joining me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, it's that little red button that's been in the lower right-hand corner. It's also going to be the center icon in the link that's going to pop up here in a minute to take you to more of my street scrapping videos. All right, everybody, you have a great day. I will see you all on the next one.